Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can edit a video in CapCut. Since nowadays CapCut has been a very popular editing app lately, and most people especially TikTokers has been using it to edit it. So you will learn how to edit a video in CapCut. So in today's video I'm going to show you can do all that by using CapCut. And the steps are quite actually simple. Simply start by opening your CapCut. And now that your CapCut is open, you can see that we have our recent videos we once worked on. So let's simply start by opening new project. And now that the new project is open, you can see that we have been given the option to select the video you would like to edit. So simply select the one you like. And now as you can see your video has been opened in the proper tools for editing. So now this is where we are going to edit our video. So to do that, simply come and then click on the adjust button. And now as you can see you have been given so many editing tools to work with, such as those for the brightness, exposure, saturation, color, sharpness, vibrance, and many more. So from now on you can edit your video however you want. And if you wanted, you would go back and then get it back to normal. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe.